And then another exercise I wanted to do with Maria is what I call fortunately, unfortunately. And this is actually a great intervention to do with kids. So I do this with kids a lot, but you can also do this with adults. And with kids, you can do this exercise as a fairy tale. Between you and the child, you just improvise a fairy tale. And this is how it works. One of you starts off each sentence with, unfortunately, and then something bad and terrible happens. But then the next person follows up with, fortunately. So fortunately, the princess had a superpower, and you just keep going on and on. Fortunately, unfortunately, fortunately, unfortunately, fortunately, unfortunately. And the point is to help the client see that in life there's good things and in life there's bad things. There's both. And when you do this with kids, you can do this as a fairy tale. But in the fairy tale, there's so much symbolic truth that the child is not even consciously aware of. So in other words, we're helping the client become more dialectical. So in Maria's case, we didn't do this as a fairy tale. We just did this as her life story. And we went through a variety of scenarios. So starting off with, unfortunately, I was molested as a child. But fortunately, I also have some good memories of my childhood. Unfortunately, my boyfriend was not the person I thought he was. But fortunately, I was able to escape, and now here I am in the US. Unfortunately, I am stuck at this place until my papers get cleared. Fortunately, I am safe here and all of my needs are being met. Okay, so do you see how this simple exercise is also teaching Maria how to be more dialectical in her thought processes?